Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer in Mumbai. The key bilateral underway, with focus on areas including trade, investment, and strategic ties between India and the UK. President Trump announces the first phase of a historic Israel-Hamas peace deal, including hostage releases. Netanyahu calls it a diplomatic victory, thanks Trump for his leadership. Owner of Srisan Pharmaceuticals, Ranganathan, has been arrested in Tamil Nadu by Madhya Pradesh police over the deaths of children linked to contaminated cough syrup, with investigations, searches, and legal action ongoing. 8 people have been injured in a blast at a busy Kanpur market. Police have launched raids, detained 3 suspects, and questioned 4 shopkeepers. Illegal firecrackers have been seized from several shops, and an investigation is underway. Kolkata police have arrested 2 more individuals in connection with the attack on BJP MP Kargan Murmu, taking the total number of arrests to 4. All the accused will be presented before the court today. A Porsche crashed into a divider on Mumbai's Western Expressway, seriously injuring the driver. Eyewitnesses say it was racing a BMW. Days after the Karur stampede, actor Vijay reached out to victims' families via video call. Visuals show him consoling the grieving families and assuring them of his support. A bomb threat targeting actor-turned-politician Vijay sparked panic. Police rushed to his residence and carried out a full search, but no explosives were found. Authorities have confirmed it was a hoax call. Security has now been tightened around Vijay's home as a precaution. The Indian Air Force marks 93 glorious years, celebrating courage with a dash of humor. From Rawalpindi chicken to Balakot tiramisu, the IAF's special anniversary menu takes a witty dig at Pakistan. Karnataka Deputy Leader of Opposition Arvind Bellad has accused Congress Party of hijacking a public-funded event in Hubballi, says government event turned into a full-fledged party show with party banners and Quran recitation.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.